Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis with another tip for you today. This is how to start your car using an extended range remote start. You're going to have two key fobs. This guy right here with the info button and a 2x button. It may have the instruction tag with it here, but if you're looking at this video, you probably don't have that. And a key fob, the key fob that's native to the car. Now, the key fob that's native to the car is not going to have a remote start button on it because that car typically doesn't come with it as a standard option. So they added it as a factory option. That would apply to older versions from 2019 up to 2024 on a Jetta S, a Tiguan SE up to 2021, or a Tiguan S even, that would typically have that. And on Atlas, it would be an Atlas SE trim, typically from 2021 on to 2024. Now that's where you get this. This is a Atlas Cross Sport 2024 SE that doesn't come with a native remote start. So it does have this extended range remote start on it. So step number one is going to be lock the car, tap the lock button twice. Once, twice. The car will honk. Then you're going to go to the extra key fob that says info and also the 2x button. You're going to hit the info button. It'll turn green and blink. Hit the 2x button twice. And that car starts. This remote is designed to work up to a half mile away. Up to a half mile away. So if you have a car where the remote starts, the range on it's not that great, maybe you want to invest in this guy to add on to it. Pretty cool. Two key fobs here. The instruction card may not be with it. Again, this works on any Volkswagen car that doesn't have a native remote start on it naturally. They add this to it. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day.